So guys, this waterfall is 200 feet high. It's a pretty big waterfall. It's got some really cool stuff. There's also the other smaller falls over there. I don't know how high that is. It looks more just kind of like a rolling falls, but it's pretty cool. It's got that rock down there. The rock formation is called Castle Rock. So the falls is absolutely beautiful, great flight. There are some restrictions and there's some permitting process that you have to go through before you can fly here. It's a $25 permit. You also have to buy $1 million worth of insurance, which before everybody freaks out and says, oh my gosh, hundreds of dollars. It's like $18 or $20 or something. Not hard to get, and believe it or not, the permitting process is not as hard as you think. Thanks for watching. This park is absolutely great. You can bring your kids, you can bring your dog, have a picnic. There's about 10 or 12 campsites. Probably go quickly in the summer, but right now there's only 2 or 3 people here. So maybe in the spring to early summer it's a lot easier. But please like, please subscribe, and have a great day.